everyone, it's Tina with TSRcreations doing a swipe for you today, and I have 3 base colors. This one is a light blue custom mix, and then I had a gray green custom mix. This is Payne's Gray by Golden, so they're the 3 bases. Then I have Golden Aqua Fluid, I have Rose by Rust-Oleum, I have Rose Quartz by Modern Masters, I have some Copper Penny by Rust-Oleum, pretty color. And then I have this is a Dragonfire Folk Art mixed with a little phthalo turquoise. Then I have some Pearl by Deco Art. And then I have phthalo turquoise by Golden Fluid. My hands are a wreck. I've been in it today. All right, guys, so there's my colors. Here is the finished piece. Came out really pretty. And so this is a different mixture. The paints are thinner than normal, but not as thin as a pearl cell pour. There is no satin enamels in any of my paints. It is floetrol, paint, and water. 2 parts floetrol, 1 part paint, to a little bit more water, probably more like the Dutch pour consistency. So I was playing around with this for a while. I wanted the flow of the thinner paints, but I don't want all the pearls, I don't want the satin enamel, and I don't want the color, the saturation of the color to be lost. And I find with the pearl cell and thin paints, you lose the color and you lose sometimes composition. So I've been playing around for a while to figure it out, and I think I got it, and I really like this effect. The key is I'm swiping in some cell activator with, and I'm using the Australian floetrol, 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam titanium white. And you can do this with American floetrol. I would just use 4 parts to 1 part paint. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I really like the way this one turned out, and I hope you do too. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you haven't already, go check out my Instagram, TSR_creations. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
Reaching for the water glass, I need to cool my head. Yesterday evening's all a mess, and I know you're still in town. You should know I've seen you when you walk around, and there's nothing more to say. I just need for you slip my heart. It's not always a sign. I could